Hi, this is Mark Cianchetti with HomeLotPackages.com. Just wanted to do a little update on the final phases when we start getting into a little bit further along in the construction phase. What to expect, where we're at, what you should be doing, things that are going on right here. There's a lot of questions come up at this time as far as, hey, when is the job going to be done? They see driveways are being scraped out. They see the final materials being delivered as far as flooring goes. Usually a good point of reference, you'll see the driveway when they start putting in pavers and your countertops are going in, you're usually about 45 to 60 days out at that time. So as a homeowner, what you can be doing, you get with your bank, start talking about converting your construction perm to a permanent loan, start looking at rates, just start getting the little I's and the T's taken care of so you can wrap up your side of it. But at this point here, you should start seeing your plumbing tie-in, whether it's from the city sewers or from its septic and well. You'll get your driveway's going to start going on final grade. You'll start getting your final grade issues around the outside. All that would start getting taken care of. You shouldn't see sod yet, a little early for that. Soffit fascia, painting, that kind of stuff. Just a lot of little wrap-up things. It gets a little busy right around this time. A lot of finishing trades running in, running out. It's exciting, but it's still, you're not 30 days out yet, so you just got to relax a little bit. You're still 60, 75 days from finishing this job at this one here. This is one of our preferred builders that we use in the local area. Very on things, they keep things going along at a really good pace. Great way to go with that side. What we do for you, what Jeff and I do at Home Lot Packages, we're going to follow you through. Again, we're going to help you through this side of it. We'll remind you, get you a couple of reminders of what you should be doing to keep the process going. Don't want to sit back and wait for the builder. He's got a lot of stuff that he's doing, a lot of projects he's doing. He's not going to call you daily and give you updates and say, hey, I need you to do this, need you to do that. That's where Jeff and I can kind of jump in there a little bit and say, hey, we're getting to that point now where you should be wrapping up your financing. You should be looking at getting things ready to go. If you're leasing a place, you need to be talking to somebody about the termination of your lease. Just a lot of little things that we can help you through that process that normally you don't get with a realtor, but what we do with this process is a little bit different for you. If you got any questions on this, we would love to talk to you about it. Whether you're buying a lot or you're buying a house or building a house, anything like that, you can get with Jeff and I at Home Lot Packages, and definitely love to talk you through it. Thank you.